In the quiet stillness of dawn, a new day begins. The world awakens with the promise of adventure. Here, in the embrace of nature, we find our sanctuary. Every detail, every preparation brings us closer to the journey ahead. It's not just about the ride, it's about the moments we share before the wheels even start turning. Through the whispering trees and the winding tracks,
What tree is that?
we connect with the world around us. The rhythm of our engines mirrors the heartbeat of the earth beneath us. In every laugh, in every cheer, we find joy, the kind of joy that comes from being together, from facing challenges side by side. The dirt beneath our tires tells a story of freedom and courage. Each speck of dirt is a testament to our spirit of adventure, to our willingness to embrace the unknown. These pauses, these moments of stillness are where we truly connect. We share stories, dreams, and the simple pleasure of each other's company. Each of us finds something different in the ride. For some, it's the thrill of speed. For others, it's the serenity of nature. But for all of us, it's the sense of belonging. Together, we create a story that is uniquely ours. Family, dirt bikes, the great outdoors, this is where our hearts belong. This is where we find our freedom. Together we ride. Together we thrive.